Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on comments with photos on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, now click settings, now click notifications, and now click on Pinterest. Here you find it, comments with photos. Just click on it and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on comments with photos on pins you saved on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.